This is Brian from spookyoulaterz. That's right, we're gonna rock out in my loft. I've retained my loft. It was taken over by my little 4-year-old right there, but she's grown up. Things are moving back into her room. It's been 20 years, literally 20 years since I've sat on a drum set, played on a drum set, and even had anything to do with the drum set. I used to drum a lot when I was younger, but it's been 20 years, guys, and so I want to see if I still got it, and I'm gonna do it live right here with you. This is my new drum set. It's really the family. I'm trying to get my daughter, my son, my wife to get involved. But here we go. So go ahead and shut that light off. Don't stop that video though. Just let it roll. Just let it roll. What's up? What?
I don't like the light.
Okay, well, tough. You can move around. There's real no drums yet. I can't remember this. It's like riding a bike. You never forget.
Time ticks by, still I try.
That's two cymbals down to the same thing. Here we go.
On my own, here we go. I feel like they're gonna blink.
Got it, yo. 20 years later, man. I used to be that cool. Hopefully you guys like this video, man. I got a lot of fun things coming up. Hopefully this COVID-19 is just destroying my channel, but it is what it is, and I'll branch off and do a bunch of other things. So if y'all want to hear me play some drums, that's what I'll be doing. All right, till next time, stay spooky, my friends, and